Welcome, in front of me is a VIVO Y19s, and today I will show you how you can insert SIM and SD card into this phone. So to get started, you'll need to grab a SIM ejector similar to this one, which comes provided with the device in the box, but if you can't find it, you could use a paperclip, external one on the ends, and it should work just as well. Now, once you have either one of those, you can then first pop off your case of the device, and then grabbing your tool, pop out the tray, which is located on the upper left side of the phone where the pin is right now. I'm gonna push it in, and you can see that the tray pops out enough for you to pull it out. And once you do so, you have space for 2 dedicated SIM cards and 1 dedicated SD card. Grabbing your cards, just place them like so on the tray, and then insert it back into the device carefully. When you do, these cards should start working, there we go, right away, hence why it's prompting me to confirm my SIM card pin. So that unlocks my SIM, and it means that obviously it's detecting it. And we should also have a notification regarding our, oh, there it was, Samsung SD card. So it is detecting SD card as well. So there we go. Now, if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.